Most clients who contact us don't need a full roof replacement, even when other contractors say they do. Over 80% of the time, comprehensive roof repairs or a full coating restoration system is all you need to make your roof leak-free and long-lasting. But we'll also replace your roof if absolutely necessary. We've actually replaced and restored over 25 million square feet since 1990. With an attention to detail other roofing companies just can't match, our guaranteed coatings are engineered to withstand any punishment Mother Nature can dish out. From extreme heat to freezing cold, heavy snow to hail. We install only the highest quality systems for companies like GE, GAF, and Karnak. Plus, we offer warranties from 5 to 25 years for flat, metal, and shingle roofs. We take every project seriously, and our owner is personally involved at all times to ensure your complete satisfaction.